What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video here at 88 Rotors Off-Road, and welcome back to our shop. We're going to start off with this 2025 Toyota 4Runner Trail Hunter in Everest Green. We're going to be taking off the old Man Emu suspension and installing some King shocks on here, running the 2.5 Remote Reservoir Coilovers and shocks with compression adjusters on here with some EIBACH rear lift springs. To add some storage space on the vehicle, we're also going to be installing a Westcott Designs Low Pro roof rack on here with XL linkables. We're going to replace the light bar with a BAJA Designs setup on here as well and do some LP4 ditch lights. Fog lights will be replaced with some S2 SAE amber BAJAs as well. And to power up all the lighting, we've also installed an S-Plot 4x4 Bantam X with touchscreen switch panel on here. Our shop, 88 Rotors, is located in sunny Southern California in the city of Baldwin Park. If you're looking to get some work done by us, please reach out to us anytime by phone during regular business hours, or you can always message us by clicking on the link in the description and going to our contact form. And if you're not local to us and still want to take advantage of our deals, check us out at 88rotorsoffroad.com. We have a bunch of pre-packaged, pre-assembled, and pre-adjusted lift kits, so they can be installed the same day you get them in the mail. Next up, we have this LC250 that's in for a Westcott Designs preload collar lift setup with some RRW RR7V wheels with some 285/75/17 tires. Here's another black Trail Hunter that's in for some BAJA Design ditch lights, night top, rock sliders, and their axle dump exhaust. And here's the LC250 rolling out with some RRW RR7V wheels. Ditch lights, rock sliders, and exhaust has been installed on this Trail Hunter. Next up, we have this Trail Dust LC250 Land Cruiser. This one is in for a Westcott Designs preload collar lift setup. We're going to be installing some Method MR703 bead grip wheels on this one in a 17x8.5 size with a positive 35 offset. We're wrapping it up in a 285/75/17 Falcon Wild Peak AT4W. You guys want to get a good deal on some Method wheels or some RRW wheels? Make sure to go to our website at 88rotorsoffroad.com and use promo code YouTube to get $100 off a set of 4. That's YOUTUBE, and that's good for all Method race wheels and RRW wheels on our website. Next up, we have a Heritage Blue Land Cruiser LC250 that's in for a Westcott Designs preload collar lift setup. Next up, we have this white 5th generation Toyota 4Runner. This one's in for a BILSTEIN 5100 setup all around with some old Man Emu lift springs all around and some Elevate chromoly ball joint upper control arms. For the wheels and tires on this one, we're going with some RRW RR7V flow-formed wheels in a matte black face and gloss black simulated beadlock ring. This is a 17x8.5 size with a 0 offset that we're wrapping up in a 285/70/17 Nitto Ridge Grappler. Next up, we have this 6th gen 4Runner that installed some Westcott preload collars on. He's back this time to upgrade to some Old Man Emu MT64 3-inch lift springs and shocks with upper control arms. If you want to get 10% off of an Old Man Emu lift setup, go to 88rotorsoffroad.com and check out with promo code ARB SALE, which is ARB sale. Get 10% off with free shipping anywhere in the lower 48 contiguous states. As you can see, Old Man Emu comes factory on the Trail Hunter models. Next, we're gonna bombard you with 3 new 4Runners. This one right here is a white TRD Off-Road iForce Max model that's in for a BFGoodrich Designs preload collar live setup. This Trail Hunter in underground gray is also going with a BFGoodrich preload collar lift setup with new top hats. To maximize storage space, we're gonna be installing a BFGoodrich Designs low pro roof rack on this Trail Hunter with a rear hatch ladder. We're gonna be mounting up some Rome 83 liter boxes on top as well. As you can see on the white one here, we've installed some 285/75/17 ridge grapplers on a RR7 V-wheel. Next up, we have this 5th gen 4Runner in magnetic gray metallic. This one has a leaky and faulty X-ray system, so we're taking out that suspension and upgrading to some BILSTEIN 5100s with OME lift springs and some Elevate chromoly ball joint upper control arms. The BILSTEIN shocks have been installed here in the front with the Elevate UCA, and here are the BILSTEIN 5100s in the back. Here's the 5th gen completed with some RRW wheels and some new tires, going out for a test drive now. Back over to the Trail Hunter, we're mounting up the 2 Rome boxes. And last but not least for today, we have this GX550 that's in for a Fox 2.5 Performance Elite Series DSC Evo setup with some Fox Orange billet uniball upper control arms. And this is pretty much gonna wrap it up for today's video, guys. Thank you very much for tuning in as always. Make sure to comment, like, share, and subscribe. And if you haven't already, turn on that notification bell. That way you'll get alerted the next time we post another video. And if this isn't enough and you wanna see more, please follow us on Instagram. You can find us at 88 Rotors Off-Road. We post on there daily.